Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you add contact on Viber. So first of all, just go to the Viber app. Now to the Viber app, just click the bottom second option, calls. Now here you can see in the top right, there is a plus with a human icon. Just click on it. And after clicking it, here you can see you need to just enter the phone number that you want to add contact. So I'm just giving a random number, and after giving the number, just click on continue. And if you want to invite them, just click on invite. Now just click on save contact. So guys, that's how you can save contact on Viber. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.